In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV in England. Since YouTube TV is only available in the US, I'll guide you on how to access it while in England. Let's dive in. To watch live football on YouTube TV in England, you'll need a virtual private network, VPN, to bypass geo-restrictions. Start by subscribing to a reliable VPN service like ExpressVPN or NordVPN and connect to a US-based server. Once connected, sign up for YouTube TV at tv.youtube.com using a US payment method or gift card. After subscribing, download the YouTube TV app on your device or access it via the website. Browse channels like ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC to find live football games. Ensure your internet connection is stable for uninterrupted streaming. Keep in mind that using a VPN may slightly affect speed, so choose a high-quality provider. Also, be aware of YouTube TV's terms of service regarding VPN usage. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.